guys, first quick video with the holy trio of Jags, the 3 rarest modern Jags. We're going to an exhaust comparison to see what's happening. Kurt's going to help me out and video it. I guess I'll start them up. Let's do it. Welcome to the Full Octane Garage.
Yep.
All right, first the Project7. Oh.
I got that. Ow.
Very, yeah. Really should have gotten some medical insurance for you before we started this.
All right.
Next, the Project8.
Much more easy to get into for an old man.
Still rolling?
Yep.
All right. We had some technical difficulty a minute ago. All right, now for the old GT. This idle's so much lower than it.
Yeah. And I believe that's the winner.
I think that's still the coolest. Yes, that's outstanding. That's super loud. They're all, it's amazing, they're all the same powertrain, the 5-liter supercharged V8. And they're all 550 to 600 horsepower. But the oldest one has the coolest exhaust, I think.
It does.
What do you think, Robert? Number 3. That's right. All right, there you go. Thanks for joining us at the Full Octane Garage. We'll see you soon.